To install your new rack, remove the front rack from the packaging. Remove your brackets, rubber pads, cargo net, and hardware. Take the rubber padding and add it to the loose bracket. Take the second rubber padding and add it to the welded bracket on the front rack. Trim off any excess padding. Place your front rack in the desired position on your handle. Using the hardware provided, place the bolt through the bracket holes, making sure to use a spacer on both sides of the brackets. Using a wrench and a 3mm Allen, tighten the bolts on the brackets till snug. Grab your cargo net from your packaging. Grab a cooler or basket, and you're ready to go. The front rack also can be mounted up high for easier reach and other storage options.